Inside these hard shells is one of the world's most popular and nutritious dry fruits. The journey begins when almond trees burst into beautiful blossoms at the start of the growing season. After flowering, tiny green almond fruits begin developing along the branches. Throughout the season, the young almonds grow larger, while their protective shells become stronger. As the almonds mature, their outer husks dry and begin opening, revealing the hard shell beneath. As the husks have fully dried and opened, the almonds are ready for harvest.
After harvesting, the almonds are separated from their dry outer coverings and prepared for processing.
From delicate blossoms to the familiar almond in our hands, every nut has a remarkable journey.